Nassau, our lovely window has a lovely carnival outside of it. Well, our window's kind of dirty. We have made it, and it is 8:30. We had to meet on the pier at 8:45 for our shore excursion. We are doing stingrays and then a beach day, so it'll be a really exciting day. Right now, we're just gathering our stuff, and then we'll be off onto Nassau. Change of plans. We're still doing this Blue Island Lagoon little, you know, beach day. But with the stingrays, you need water shoes. And it would cost $20 a person to get water shoes. And my mom and I were like, no. So we switched it to dolphin encounter. So we're actually going to see dolphins now, which is even exciting. And we do that at 12. I think it's like 9-ish right now. So you can enjoy the beach and then go see what they have to offer for the dolphins. Some really pretty water. Ooh, kind of cold. They have some like water activities, which is pretty cool. We're now gonna get some lunch. Surfing Ties restaurant. We do have to pay for this. Oh, it is open. Good, because I'm starving. Here is the menu. Here's what my mom and I got for lunch. Cheeseburger, fries, drumstick, and a salad. This is where we're going over here. Gonna go take pictures of the dolphins, see what they got to offer. So we get to take a picture with it. That's so cool! Blue Island Lagoon. No sea urchin. There's a dolphin. Where'd it go? Oh, there he is. There's another one right there. Look! Oh my goodness! Wow, they're so smart. Whoa.
Open up nice and wide. There you go. Open up. Open up wide. There we go. Get a good drop. Nice. 4 9 girls. That's the only way to tell the difference between.
There is our beautiful Grandeur of the Sea. So we're over here by the shop just seeing what they have. Came back into our room and we have no tower animal. Ah, you thought. Look at this. It's so cute. How is it like being able to stay? Look at it. It's so cute. Its little eyes. So adorable. I love it. So we have came back to the room. We took a fat nap. Not gonna lie. We are on the move right now. We have left Nassau, Bahamas, and we are getting ready for dinner. There's a show tonight at 7, and I'll show you guys our outfits. First though, we are really on the move. Here is my outfit. I have this dress from Shein. I think this is super cute. I was gonna wear this yesterday for Caribbean, but I really wanted like good pics in this. I also have these super cute little sandals I got from Shein as well. So this is my outfit. Tonight's attire is dressed to impress, so I thought this kind of fit the vibe. But yeah, here's what my mom is wearing.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay. This is my romper from Amazon and my Steve Madden shoes.
Super cute.
And my Lisa necklace and my multi-color bracelet.
In the glow of those twinkling lights, we shall love through
Okay, so before I show you guys dinner real quick, I do want to explain something. So our neighbors, the lovely people that we love to talk to during dinner, they are exotic eaters. As of I get the same thing I literally eat every day. They allowed me to show you guys like what they're eating because like I said, like they eat like lobster and stuff and I'm over here eating steak. So you guys can able to see more of like what they actually serve on the cruise rather than just like a normal steak meal. Like they serve more things. So thankfully they were able to let me show their food. They're such a lovely couple and I loved talking to them during dinner. And I'm so thankful that they were able to let me record. So that's why you see theirs and then also a little bit of ours. I didn't record my starter because I had Caesar salad and so did my mom. And if you've seen my other vlogs, it's the same thing. The Caesar salad has not changed. But here's what we had for dinner.
salad.
Ooh, interesting. French onion soup. Oh, looking good. Content. I know. Oh wait, now I know why it's so dark. Cheese tortellini, and then I have the same thing I ate yesterday. Ooh, it's so interesting. Yum. Warm chocolate lava cake. She got the same thing too.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Central. And you're right, the Saudis will never ever die. Welcome to the stage, your host, your presenter, is Savita.
So much fun. Like That was insanely good. I enjoyed that, and I wasn't even dancing, and I wish I was down there dancing, not even gonna lie. That was such a fun party. But that is it for today's vlog. Tomorrow will be a day of sea. Last day, sadly. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, leave a like and hit the subscribe button because it really does help me out a lot. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my other vlog. Bye! Bye!